Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will talk about my recent trades, current positions, also set of which I follow, and also on X recently I got question about my indicators which I use. So we will also briefly discuss about that. So let's start with the setup which I follow. So just for an example, I am just for explaining. I am taking example of Tesla from 2020. Uh, yeah, it's after COVID chart. So the first step is stock should be a momentum leader. Like Tesla made a 90% move and then went to sideways. First stock make big move, then went to consolidation. The main part is I'm interested in this part. Basically, I have adopted this strategy from Indian trader called Manas Arora. Also, I'm from another trader, Swedish trader, also from Kuala Magi. And yeah, pretty much all the big traders follow the same. They look for big momentum leaders. So for that, you should have a big prior up move. Then stock went into consolidation, and then sometimes it's make higher lows like this, or it's not a perfect higher low, but yeah, you can consider it as higher lows. Then also tight ranges, like you can see the candles here, widespread candles, and here the candles are very tiny and like very tight range. So here buyers and sellers are uh, both are in same control. Where here on this big move, totally buyers dominated this move, and also uh, majority of the time stocks of the moving averages. So this is 10 moving average white, yellow one is or orange one is the 20 moving average, and the green one is the 50 moving average. So Tesla made a big move of 90%, then started consolidating, and then this last blue candle we can consider as a breakout candle, because if you see here, so this was the range. Also, you can consider it as a flag or something like that, and then it broke out from this candle or with big volume. You can see here is a blue bar, and also volume is high. And prior to that, in tight candle, you can see the gray volume and also orange volume, which is like dry volume, and also gray volume is not so significant volume. And stock broke out with this blue bar, and then you can see again same as before, stock made more than 70% of move and smoothly sub the rising 10 moving average. Then again, same pattern, stock started correcting. This time correction was much more, like stock corrected up to 50 moving average, but you can see like it bounced right from the 50 moving average and like started making higher low. Again came back to 50, but you can see it's making it's surfing on the rising 50 moving average, and stock is getting tighter and tighter, and also you can see the volume drive is right here. So yeah, we can consider as a range. This time base is little bit bigger, but the pattern is the same. Prior big move, consolidation, and then breakout, and then same move as before, right? So yeah, and just see the last three candles here, three or four candles, and also look at the volumes. After 25th of 2020, there is 25th September 2020, there is no volume. You can see all the gray bars, gray volume bars means no volume, and uh, stock open gap up. Then this could be considered as a breakout candle. And see again, yeah, it made a massive big move. Uh, yeah, almost 100%. And also sometime I add it to pullback, like here we can add here as stock is still in the uptrend and also giving some other entries. So This is the basic setup I follow. Now let's talk about the indicators which I use. So I mainly use the moving averages, 10 moving average, 20 and 50 moving average. This is a volume, simple volume by finally Nitin. You can see here, simple volume. And then I also use this purple dots, which will be better visible in any stock. Let's take MTAR for example. So yeah, purple dot, or here I have changed it to yellow, but this I adopted from Manas Arora sir. Also ADR, this is the ADR 3.88. So last 20 days range of ADR, like how fast stock is moving. And let me change back it to, yeah. And also I use this simple turnover also for final anything, because when it may make big move, you can see here is rise in simple turnover. So if there is a significant rise in simple turnover, that means this huge move is backed by big institutions, right? Also I use a 3 months buying force, like in last 3 months how stock went from lowest front to highest front, so which also signifies the momentum of the stock. And yeah, relative volume to confirm the I am whenever I'm entering in the stock, if it's a breakout on daily, and also which it should be with high relative volume, because right now we can see there is all dry volumes and stock is still in the base, not give any breakout, right? And also, yeah, price band, I see the here 20% is the upper circuit, lower circuit, I mean the circuit limit for the stock. And also I follow quarterly earnings, mainly EPS growth and sales growth. Okay, so this is all the indicators I use. Now uh, yeah, let's talk about my recent trades. So first one was Prostam, big move, consolidation, and I think I was like early in this move, so I have bought this at 24th of December at 182.95. I have anticipated the breakout, as you can see the wick here, or maybe like this. Yeah, you can see the wick here. So I thought it gave breakout on daily, and then I entered, but next day it took my stop and I got out very next day. And I enter via 5 minute or 15 minutes range breakout. So when I see daily like this, I also wait a minute. Uh, okay, so yeah, okay. So I have seen this candle, and I have, I think, put my order somewhere around. Um, I think it was VCP buy or something like that. But the thing is, I bought a 5 minute or 15 minute opening range breakout, and when volume is high, then I also buy 3 minute opening range breakout. But mainly, I have noticed that like when breakout is valid on daily, then there is higher chances of winning. Like, but also I have just started and learning, so yeah, this is my opinion. The second trade was Hind Copper. I have also posted this on X. Yeah, this was my um good trade. I mean, with good result. So huge prior up move. Then stock went sideways. Then started making higher lows, and you can see the tight candles around here. So I have made my first position here, then second and third, and then when stock started stretching from the moving averages, this 10, 20, and 50, I have started to book some profits like here, and I have exited fully on this day. Also, yeah, you can say that I have missed these 2 days, but yeah, I was not on a good run, so I wanted to book some profit just to get a good confidence. So I book majority of the I mean all the position I have exited on this day, Friday of 26 December. So this was Hind copper trade. Another trade I took this day last week, I think on Friday, was MTech, but I got stopped out on the same day because yeah, I thought it was breakout on daily from this range, but it stopped me out and now it's trading below it. Next one was Gendrake. Yeah, I mean metal. All the metal names are leading right now as Hind Copper, Ashapura. Also, my holding, one of my holding, yeah, Sanduma. All the metal and mining stocks are leading. So I have bought this Gendrake. It's also recently listed IPO in October 25. So yeah, it had made a big prior up move of 86%, then started consolidating, then make higher low, and then by seeing all these four candles, and I have bought here, I think maybe on 5 minute or 3 minute opening range breakout, and then um yeah, I got entry here, then few more days, and this day stock had a massive correction, and then I stopped out. Eventually my stop was somewhere around here 400 level, but because this stock has made a massive gap, then I have exited like manually because GTT stop won't make sure that you get exit. So this is the problem with GTT. So yeah, and another yeah, precision wire. This I have bought yesterday as the same pattern. This 2 3 weeks of sideways consolidation making higher lows, and yesterday it had a massive volume. So I have bought at 243.50. Stock moved big upside. So I have my stop was day low, but then stock was moving better. So I have moved my stop to break even. But today stock took my stop and I got exited at the same break even with yeah, this is zero loss. So yeah, these were my trades for last week and this week's current holding. I have currently I'm holding two stocks. The first one is Sanduma, same as before, big move, consolidation, making high low, tight candles, and then I have made my first entry here, and then yeah, booked some quantity here. Just and also I have moved my top to break even, so there is no risk on this trade, and if this stock allows the another entry, I will add more stocks right here. And also today I have bought 3G shipping. So it was not on my watch list, but yeah, it was on my focus list, and yeah, it was. Let me show you my watch list. Yeah, so this was my watch list that I've shared yesterday on X also. So this was my watch list, but it was not part of watch list. This 3G shipping, but it was in my focus list, and yeah, in the morning I have like I had two options, either to go with Ether Energies or 3G shipping, but uh 3G shipping had a good gap of opening compared to this Ether, so I went with 3G shipping, and as of now, yeah, stock is doing well. Already 5 6% move. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so yeah, that was it about all my trades and current position. And yeah, if you have any question or any doubt, you can comment, or you can also text me on X, or yeah, put comment on X on any post, whichever way you want. So yeah, thank you so much for joining in, and yeah, if you have watched this video till the end, please like the video. If you have any suggestion, comment down, and yeah, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.